What's up, everybody? It's Merman Mike here. We're out here at the Sac State Aquatic Center again. It's me and my girlfriend Natasha. Oh wow! Oh, it's the guy with the parrot again. Look, babe. The guy has a parrot on the back of his sailboat. That's too cool. But yeah, we're out here looking for lost valuables. We're picking up all the trash along the way. Also, if we can find anything and return it to the owner, we always try our best to do that. But yeah, the other time we were out here, we found like 14 pairs of sunglasses, including a pair of like Coach, Oakley, and a couple other name brands. But we had some really good luck, so we're out here again, and hopefully we have the same luck. All right, guys, see you down there.
Oh, that's cool. Oh! God! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Sorry. Hi. My bad. Saw you at the last second. Me too. I'm just searching for sunglasses, phones, picking up all the trash while I'm down there. Scaring kayakers. Some more.
No one.
Whoa! How's it going?
Is there a rope down there?
What was up?
Is there a rope down there? That's the one.
All right.
You can go back around a bit. Leave it for
Okay.
that last squeeze.
Whoa! Oh yeah.
You're inciting a riot, babe. You're not a duck. He's like, come on, man. I could be a
I don't
duck.
have any more sunflower seeds. Oh, okay, I have some more.
Cow duck's disappointed.
Cat duck. Oh, he's like, nope.
Yeah.
You couldn't have it.
Goose is like, long neck, swoop. Oh, look out. He's coming for the back.
What's up, everybody? It's Merman Mike. We just got done with another beautiful dive here at the Sac State Aquatic Center. Losing a lot of our daylight like usual, but we should have enough to get this recap done. So we'll start over here. Found another one of these anchors. I think this one's a little heavier than the last one, but I think someone just didn't tie that off all the way or anything because there was no rope or anything attached to it. Found this weird little tea kettle. I don't know what somebody would need that out here for, but got a weird little pair of like mask goggles, and then a pair of masks, and these are actually, both of them are still pretty good silicone, so we'll be able to make those work. We got 2 lures. This was super cool. I have no idea what it is, but I've never seen anything like it in the lake, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Found a phone that looks like it's still in really good condition. I'm gonna put that in some rice when we get home and see if I could turn that back on and find an owner. We've been having some really good luck lately. I just got a SD card to turn on and find a bunch of pictures, so hopefully we can find the guy and return his pictures to him. Anywho, also found this awesome Fitbit type thing. I don't know exactly what it is, but it says waterproof, so Let's see if we can find a way to turn that on and see if we could see a name or anything like that. Got 8 pairs of glasses, 2 like prescription type glasses, and then 6 sunglasses. We got some pretty cool ones. Most of them are the Wayfarer style. Got some different names and whatnot. A lot of them are just like cheap river ones. But these pairs, I guess my girlfriend said Kate Spade is a good designer. Or I'm gonna have to look them up when I get home because I've never heard of it before. But these ones are the ones I was really excited about. Bam! Ray-Ban. I've been looking for a pair of these Ray-Ban Wayfarers, and I'm so happy I found some today. That is awesome. But other than that, we got a little comb, a little airplane. I got 3 golf balls. I found these when I got out of the truck before the camera was on, but figured I'd throw those in the recap. Got another pair, 3 lighters, pair of goggles. Looks like they're seen better days. Full Mickey's. Definitely not gonna drink that, just wanted to show you guys. It also has some like weird stuff in it. I'm not sure if that's just like what's on the inside of the glass or the stuff inside the actual liquid, but it's weird. And then yeah, I found a scuba fin. And last but not least, found another anchor bag. But yeah, other than that, we got a bunch of trash. This is actually like bag 2 of all the trash. It got so heavy at one point the line actually snapped and I had to go find our trash bag, so we weren't adding to the problem. But we got that, and we got all the trash out that we could, so I felt pretty good about that. And if you guys like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. It always helps me get out here and get more videos done, pick up more trash and find more treasure. It also helps me reunite people with their lost items, so it's always a really good time for me. Thank you. All right. Till next time, everybody. Take care. What's up, everybody? It's Merman Mike. So this is the phone we found at the bottom of Lake Natoma. We had it in a bag of rice for probably about 48 hours or so. It's really important. You want to get all the moisture out of electronics before you put power to them, because that's usually where the problem happens. But when I plugged it into the charger, it came up with like a bright blue screen. It had writing. It looked like the screen was fine, but it said like OS needs to be replaced. I'm not a very big tech guy. I have no idea if it can be salvaged or not. I do know, however, we were able to get all the pictures from it, which was awesome because there was hundreds of them, which actually helped me because I went through those hundreds of pictures trying to find the name of the guy. Ended up typing in like probably 10, 11 names or something like that into Facebook trying to find this guy. And we ended up finally finding him, matched his pictures from Facebook to the pictures on the SD card, and got a hold of him on Facebook. I'm going to show you guys the conversation we had on the phone, which was awesome. He seems like a really cool guy. He's actually on his way over right now to come get it, and I'm going to show you guys that video as well. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and call Ulysses. That's the guy whose phone this is. Found him on Facebook once again, and I absolutely love Facebook. It's been super, super helpful when finding people to return valuables to, and I mean, that's my favorite part of any of these dives, is always getting to return something back to their owner, and I absolutely love it. It's just, it's a feeling I can't really describe in words, but we're going to go ahead and give him a call and hopefully find out the story of how long it's been down there.
Hello?
Hi, Ulysses.
Yeah, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mike, how are you doing today?
Pretty good. How are you?
Oh, man, really excited.
Yeah, like I said, I'm not quite sure if it'll be salvageable or not, but the screen looked like it worked fine. It just popped up with like a bright blue OS system or something like that. It needs to be replaced. I'm not a very big tech guy, so I mean, you might be able to take it into like Geek Squad or something and see if it can work again. But yeah, all your pictures are still good.
Dude, that's like the best part about this whole thing. You know what? I've seen those channels and stuff before, and actually, I feel like I lost this like about a year ago. And I was like, you know, maybe one day someone will find it and then like somehow figure out how to find me. And you know what? It happened.
You lost it about a year ago?
Something like that, because that's a Galaxy S9, I think.
Yeah.
And I want to say it's about a year old.
Wow. Yeah, this thing looks almost brand new. That's insane.
Yeah. I literally lost it like maybe a week after I bought it.
Oh.
And yeah, I went down there to go with the family, and I was like, oh well, this one's waterproof. I'll just keep it in my pocket. And next thing you know, I'm sure you heard these stories before, but
Yeah.
you know, I was like, where's my phone? I was like, oh, I probably left it in there. How did you figure out that phone belonged to me?
Oh,
Was it just like,
all right, so I don't know. There's probably like I think it was like 300 or there's a lot of pictures on here, and I try to be as least invasive as possible when I go through somebody's pictures and whatnot. I know I wouldn't want somebody going through my phone, and I was just basically trying to look for names, and I found a bunch of names. I punched a bunch of them in, couldn't match any pictures to you, and then I finally found like it looked like a schoolwork piece of paper, and it had like some birthdays and names by it. And I saw the last name matched with a couple of the other last names that I was seeing throughout the pictures. But that was the first time I saw Ulysses in front of that last name. So I finally punched that into Facebook, and then immediately I recognized the face from the pictures and all that stuff. And I was like, finally. But yeah, there was a bit of investigation work.
yeah, so not only are you a scuba diver and a YouTuber, and whatever your 9 to 5 is, you're also a private investigator now.
Right? If the YouTube thing doesn't work out, I've got the private investigating thing to look forward to. But yeah, I'd absolutely love to get this back to you. I don't know if you'd like me to mail it to you, if you want to meet up, whatever's easiest to you.
I knew I had that SD card for a while now. Yeah, I really didn't remember what pictures I had on there, but I definitely want to look at them. And I'm sure, I think I have stuff because I recently had a daughter, and I feel like I have a lot of those pictures in there.
Yep, I believe Yep.
Yeah, so, I mean, we can meet up. I mean, I'd like to shake your hand.
Absolutely. I'm more than happy for a handshake. We could text back and forth and figure out the details and whatnot. And
Yeah, well, thank you, Mike. I really appreciate you reaching out.
All right, pleasure was all mine, and I can't wait to meet you.
Thank you. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.
Absolutely. Look forward to it.
Bye.
All right, bye. How you doing?
Good, man. Nice to meet you finally.
To meet you.
Yeah, how's it going today?
Pretty good. I'm really excited.
Nice.
But yeah, here it is.
Wow, man, that's crazy. Shoot, man, this is insane. I can't believe I actually got this back. And I'm telling you, man, you're doing some people some crazy service. I mean, not only just for YouTube, but like just in general, man. It's you know when they say not all heroes wear capes, man. Definitely.
Oh, I thought about having an underwater cape.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. That could be look.
I'm thinking if I got around a tree or whatnot, that cape might become a really bad idea.
Dude, Mike, thank you so much.
No problem.
I
Thank
really
you.
Appreciate you, man.
It's been such a pleasure.
Yeah.
You have a great night.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Oh. That was so cool. He was such a cool guy. Sorry about my awkwardness or anything like that. I'm still not used to this, but it's just, I get so excited and I'm like lost for words when these things happen. Oh, that was so cool. I'm gonna have this perma smile for like probably at least a week. That was awesome. I'm really glad I got to get those back to him. It's been a really, really good couple of weeks. You guys have just made this amazing for me. Thank you guys so much. I can't express how much it means to me for all your guys' support and just how much this is starting to go. And I'm at a loss for words, and thank you guys so much. If this is the first video you guys have seen, please hit the like button, subscribe, share with a friend. And yeah, that was an awesome video. Thank you guys so much for being a part of it. All right, have a good one. Bye.